Hi guys, Marty Davis, Lake Ozark, Missouri. I'm on our newly arrived Aviara AV36 Outboard. Boat is powered by twin Mercury 400 horsepower V10 motors. Pretty new to the market, doing a great job. The rear area is configured with flip-up seats that lay down, bar stools that pop up. There's 3 of them. Completely adjustable. Moving into the cockpit area, we've got wraparound seating. We opted for the additional seating on this side for Lake Ozark boating. Large sink storage area. Got your fridge down here. Easy trash receptacle. The seat here flips forward and back. Depending on how you want to boat that day or moment. Moving to the bow of the boat. Nice wide gunnel up to the front. The boat is optioned with the bow fill bed area. Unlike a lot of the open bows out here, the Aviara has a very deep, secure bow. Mom will feel good with the children up front. Moving to the helm. 3 different screens. One runs each part of the boat, making it easy to operate. Boat is equipped with joystick. Nice cabin. TV, air conditioner, fill-in bed area. Plenty of room for adults to lay down. And then a full head. Again, it's Marty Davis, MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. Come check out this great boat here at our marina. Thank you. Bye.